Hey, hi guys. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? क्या सुन पा रहे हो कि नहीं? What is that? Tell me in the chat right now, ASAP. Okay. So I hope that you guys are able to see my screen. No, you guys are not able to see my screen, but you guys are able to see me. And हाँ, I think today जो नींद सैक्रिफाइस करके क्लास लगाने आए हैं, वाओ नाइस. So hey, today I think my real timeness has increased a lot because today I have been like doing ultra low latency, so I think 7 seconds max it would be. 7-8 सेकेंड के अंदर तुम्हें मतलब whatever I'll say it will reach to you, and we guys can take it from there. So how are you all? I'm joining from my home, and happy Sunday everyone. Happy Sunday everyone. See guys, two things today. We have to do rock paper scissors wala pura game end to end, and today we were also supposed to do like this data, what is this, data science ke do libraries, numpy and pandas. But an announcement that I have to make: we are launching an entire essentials program for data science. Okay, so this data science program will cover numpy, pandas and also I was like a curriculum overlap kar raha hai. So we will keep this thing in a much more quality and a defined manner in the upcoming data science essentials program that we are launching. Okay, so considering that, we will today only be doing a project that is rock paper scissors. Okay, and take things ahead. So that's the entire thing. First and foremost thing, how many of you have played uh, rock paper scissors in your entire this thing? आप में से कितने लोगों ने आज तक ज़िंदगी में रॉक पेपर सीजर किया है? मतलब यू guys have played rock paper scissors. I just need to know that data first. So accordingly, we'll start building. Me. Okay, Prajvat and Parvesh, Chavan, Divya, Madness of Music. I don't know who this person is. Madness of Music. She also played. Komal Preet Kaur. Okay. So what happens in rock paper scissors? Rock paper scissors में होता क्या है? Rock paper scissors में होता क्या है? Inside rock paper scissors, we have got things like uh, two people will play together. One person will do rock. uh, Rock is defeated by paper, but rock defeats Caesar. है ना, ऐसा कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, पूरा पूरा A to Z. प्लीज़ रिवाइज मी, प्लीज़ हेल्प मी रिवाइज दिस एंटायर थिंग, रॉक पेपर सीजर का लॉजिक. सो द आई थिंक द लॉजिक इज़ लाइक वेन एवर रॉक को हराता है पेपर एंड पेपर को हराने वाला है सीज़र, सीज़र को हराने वाला है रॉक. एम आई राइट? क्लियर? Am I right? So rock wins over sorry, paper wins over rock, Caesar wins over paper, and rock wins over Caesar. है ना? This is the logic, right? Yes. If I am right, then please tell me in the chat क्योंकि मुझे जानना है. Okay, so let's just go ahead and in the meantime share screen and all. फिर अपन ये logic बनाते हैं पूरा पूरा, and then we will take it ahead. Okay, so I just hope you guys are clear about this entire thing. Please let me know if you are able to see my screen. I think now you should be able to see my screen. Okay, so कहाँ गया वो? Project day rock paper scissors. Okay, project day rock paper scissors. So rules for the game: you will be required to develop a Python based game for our project. You will develop human versus bot kind of a program. Okay, we will first develop human versus bot, Then we may also try to do it like player 1, player 2, human versus human. Both the versions we will develop, and then we will wrap both the versions in a menu. Which version would you like to play? ऐसा ऐसा पूरा बनाएंगे. Okay, so that's the thing. Now input is like, first we will make the bot version, and then we will because making a human version is easy as compared to bot. Fine. Then computer generates a random key out of the 3. Based out of the rules, we will get the winners of the board game. Game board, human point, computer points, okay, and ties keep on the game until player asks to exit. Okay, done, clear. तो game क्या है? Let's write it down in words. Section is like, make a rock paper game. Okay, step number one that we have okay, keep it sense hands, हाँ समझा नहीं. Okay, number 1 step is to take make first of all, like, let's write it down कि रॉक पेपर सीजर कैसे बनाना है. फिर इसका आर्किटेक्चरल साइड सोचते हैं. I mean, first we will see what the game should do, then we will think about the architectural side, because see, I have not prepared anything. I am candid in front of you. Okay, what is my thinking process? मैं कैसे सोचता हूँ? What is my thinking process to encounter this problem statement? Using this, we can learn lots of things. How to encounter DSA problems, how to approach a problem solving thing. So that is how we can think it through. We all have right now equipped with the skills, weapons like if else, if else, for loop, while loop, and then we have also seen for else, while else, functions. So using and input data types, so using these all things only, we will be able to make our rock paper scissors thing. It may look very easy, क्या है, बहुत सिंपल सा गेम है, but it is not. Okay, you need to, the way it will develop, it will be complex. So I will go very slow, one by one, but we will develop this entire project. Are you guys with me? So please tell me in the chat right now. Okay, so number 1 step for rock paper scissors is, the number 1 step, we need to give player name as input. Okay, number 1 step, the number 1 thing that we will do is like, we will take, hey, give me your name. After we have the player input, we will ask how many rounds would you like to play. Okay, clear. Options are 3 rounds or 5 rounds, 7 rounds, 9 rounds. Okay, it has to be odd. Okay, it has to be an odd number to derive a winner, right? This should be an odd number. Okay, so we can derive अरे यार, derive का spelling क्या जरा लिखना ना, derive a winner. Okay, clear. It should be odd number, right? 1 round if I win, 1 round if the computer wins. I means you all guys. Okay, if 1 round we win and if 1 round computer wins, then there has to be a decider round. That's why it is a derive. Okay, fine, clear. Third step is, from rock paper, make a function to generate random computer input. Rock paper. ठीक है, clear? Number 4, I'll make spaces in between so that we guys can read it properly. Number 1 clear हो गया, number 2 we are clear, number 3 we are clear, number 4, make a function to take player input out of, okay, out of rock, R is equal to rock, P is equal to paper, S is equal to Caesar. Clear? Array, everyone is asking why odd number? Why odd number? It's very simple, right? Why odd number? If one time when we are playing rock, paper, Caesar, if I win, the computer loses first round. Second round, if I lose, then it's a tie, right? Then there has to be a decider round कि भाई कौन जीतेगा, who is the winner, is it me or is it the computer? So best of 3, the most points accumulated out of 3 will be the thing. It can be 5 rounds also, 4 we can win, but the 5th round is the decider round. 7 means 3 we can win, 3 computer can win, but 1 will be won by whomsoever is the winner. Okay, decider round, so that there is a winner at every given point of time. I hope you guys are clear about it right now. Okay, are you guys clear about it? Okay, so make a function to take player's input out of rock, paper, Caesar. Then finally make this all, okay, make somehow record the score of the game. Okay, then last, repeat everything until there is a winner. Okay, there is a winner means repeat until there is a winner. Repeat for 3 times, repeat for 5 times, repeat for whatever the odd number that we select. जो भी odd number अपन select करेंगे वो अपने को repeat कराना है ताकि एक winner decide हो सके. That's it. Clear? So these are the 6 steps. Let's just go ahead and start developing it one by one. Okay, so what is the first step? We need to take a name as an input. So how to take player name as an input? So we will define name is equal to input. Hey bro, give me your name. Done. Is it working? Let's just check. Okay, is this thing is working? Let's say my name is Arpita Sherpur. Okay, fine. When I say name, itna work kar raha hai? Done. First step is clear. We took the name. Now step number 1 is clear. इन सबको अपन assemble करेंगे. We will create these mini models. Once these models are created, then we will assemble all of them together in one place and then we will go ahead. Okay, clear? Done. So are you clear, guys? Are you clear? So hey bro, give me your name. Very simple, na? Input. It is storing name also. Now let's take the next step. Next step is we will ask how many rounds would you like to play. Okay, rounds is equal to, again, input, hey name, whatever name we took, how many rounds would you like to play? ओके ओ ओ ओ इनपुट के अंदर ये काम नहीं करता ऐसे. So we need to make a text like this first. Text prompt. Concatenate करना है मुझे सब. Instead of this, I will use a plus mark in between. Then I'll take text prompt here. Okay, now this will work. Hey Arpita, how many rounds would you like to play? I will say, out of it has to be an odd number, okay? So, and it has to be less than 3. So, उसके लिए कुछ, ठीक है? We have to create a small function out of it. Okay, let's create a small function. ये समझा? What is this line? Is this line clear to everyone? Is this line clear to everyone? Text prompt. Hey, name, whichever name we took, we want to concatenate. Concatenate means what? To merge two things. Clear? Done? Are we clear here? Please tell me in the chat, every one of you, are you clear? बताओ यार, हो मेरे साथ. एक फंक्शन बनाते हैं अभी, ठीक है? Why we have to create a function? Because see, I can enter any number. Okay, I can enter any number. I can enter 2 also. But वो 2 input नहीं लेना चाहिए ना, because 2 is not an odd number, and it is less than 3 also, and it should not take, okay, and it should not take 15 also, because 15 rounds कौन खेलता है यार? Who plays 15 rounds? We don't want to play 15 rounds. Maximum rounds that we want to allow is 9. So rule number one is the input should be an odd number. Rule number 2, okay, rule number 2, it should be greater than 2 and less than 10. okay, ये 2 रूल अकोमोडेट होने चाहिए. If these 2 rules are not satisfied, then ask again. Okay, are we clear? If these 2 rules are not satisfied, then ask again. तो अपन अभी बनाते हैं एक फंक्शन. फंक्शन बाद में बनाते हैं, पहले अपन बेसिक एक इफ एल्स लगा लेते हैं. ओके, एक इफ एल्स लगा लेते हैं. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट लेट्स टेक राउंड्स. यहाँ पे अपन वाइल लगाते हैं, इफ एल्स भी नहीं, वाइल लूप लगाओ, ख़त्म हो जाएगा. राउंड्स इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट राउंड इज इक्वल टू 0. वाइल, ओके, राउंड्स, पूरा यहाँ पे कंडीशन लगा सकते हो तुम. वाइल राउंड्स इज ग्रेटर देन 3. कैसे तुम्हें डिफाइन करूँ यार, इजीली कैसे करूँ? आई नो द व्हाट आई नीड टू राइट, बट आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर लाइक क्लियर. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन रूल नंबर 1 फर्स्ट. पहले काम करते हैं, रूल नंबर 1 का लॉजिक लिखते हैं. देन वी विल राइट द लॉजिक ऑफ रूल नंबर 2. देन वी विल मर्ज बोथ ऑफ देम इन अ वाइल लूप. ओके, एग्री? क्लियर है? डन? आर वी क्लियर? लेट्स राइट डाउन द रूल नंबर 1 लॉजिक. Then we will write down the rule number 2 logic. Then we will merge both of them. Then we will put it in a while loop. Okay, step number 1, what I am doing, write the logic of rule number 1. Step number 2, rule number 2 likho. Step number 3, okay, step number 3 is to merge both of the rules together in one line. Then step number 4, put it in a while loop. So if, okay, how to check if a number is odd number or not? अपन laddered बना लेते हैं. If take an input, first of all let's take an input. Okay, rounds इसको निकाल दो. If rounds %2 equal to 1, okay, then only go ahead. Then only we'll print for a testing के लिए wow it's a odd number, else print no it's a it's a even number. Write it, try again, enter again. Done. Clear? So we will take now there is a problem, I'll tell you. I'll take 4. ये देखो error दे रहा है, not all arguments converted to during string formatting. So that means see, it took a string, I didn't convert it to a number, so I'm typecasting it to a integer right now. मैंने integer में convert कर दिया, now it will work. At least this logic will work. I will give 5, it will say wow it's an odd number, it's an odd number. Okay, 6 is a even number. Okay, enter again, no it's a even number, enter again. ठीक है, clear है ना, यहाँ तक तो okay है. So I will write down if this condition satisfied. If it's an odd number, then we should go to rule number 2, right? We should go to rule number 2. Are we clear? If rule number 1 is right, the logic of rule number 1 is clear to every one of you. Please give me rule number 1 in the chat. या फिर कोई एक emoji डाल दो, like put fire emoji in the chat. Once I get fire emoji from everyone, then only I will go ahead. Okay, so fire in the chat. Every one of you just go ahead, do fast. And the people who are complaining the quality is not good, just go ahead and increase the quality to high definition in your video settings. Okay, and see, I even tried changing the settings. Guys. See, settings mein jaake na, I even tried doing something this video quality. So if you see, my video quality is 1280 into 720. Okay, so it is not going to 1080. It is the highest that it is supporting right now. So I think that is the reason you guys are not able to see it in 1080. So I got a fire emoji, lots of fire emojis in the chat. Now let's go to build rule number 2. I am using nested if else here. Okay, the second rule is it should be greater than 2 or less than 10. Okay, rounds should greater than 2 and rounds less than 10. Yay, we got a perfect odd number. Else print your number is in not the range of 3 to 9. Please enter again. Clear? Done. So it will ask me a number. That number is, let's say 3. It will say wow it's an odd number, and yay we got a perfect odd number. Clear? Done. Now if I give 11 here, okay, your number is not in the range of 3 to 9, please enter again. Right? Clear? It's working na, working right, every one of you. I was about to say darlings, but then I stopped. Okay, so it's working. चेयर गया गाइस, नहीं चेयर नहीं गया, स्टॉपर गया. ठीक है, सो इट्स वर्किंग राइट. क्लियर? ओके, इट्स वर्किंग नाउ. बॉटल नहीं टूटा रे. चेयर माय दिस चेयर, work chair. Okay, so fine. Now let's do one thing. Okay, let's take an example of a flag. A flag क्या होता है? I'll implement a flag here right now. Okay, if the flag is false, the loop will stop. If the flag is true, the loop will go on. So by default I will write flag is equal to true, true by default. Okay, if we get a perfect number, then the flag will become false. Okay, flag will become false. Okay, अभी क्या करूँगा मैं, I will wrap this entire code, I'll wrap this entire code inside while flag. Okay, so what will happen is like either it will be this, either it will be this. If the flag is true, the loop will run again and again and again and again. The flag will become only false when we get a perfect odd number. Agree? Clear? Done? Agree? Clear? Done? Let's run it one more time. So, hey Arpita, how many rounds would you like to play? So, let's say I would like to play 11 times. It will say, wow, it's an odd number. Oh, first check is good, but the second check is your number is not in the range of 3 to 9. Please enter again. And it is asking you the question again. Now, this time if you give, let's say 8. Okay. No, it's an even number, enter again. See, it is asking you again. Now, if I give 9, it will stop. Clear? Done? Samajh gaye? Are we there? Agree? Okay. It is only taking, see, when we gave 11, it asked again. When we gave 8, it asked again. When we gave 9, it stopped. Okay. Now, when I will do rounds here, rounds mein kya aa gaya? Okay. Rounds is 9 only. Clear? Done? So, you have learned something, that is flag. It's kind of flagging करके अपन ने काम बना लिया. Okay, we have created a flag, and by default the flag value is true. That means this loop will go on. The loop will the flag will only become false when we got a perfect odd number. Done है? ठीक है भाई? Clear? ये flag वाला system नहीं करना है ना? You can do one more thing. If you don't want to do this flag, you can do one more thing. I'll tell you what is that. You just don't need this flag and all. You just need to put true here, and instead of this, okay, we can use break. Okay, so this will run. See, this will run. True means by default it will run so many times. As soon as it will get a perfect odd number, it will break. Okay, it will break the loop. So ये भी एक तरीका है. So if I give 56, it will ask again. If I give 11, it will ask again. As soon as I give 9, it will stop. समझ गए? So there is one more way also. Clear? Which one is more good? This break while infinite true only breaks at when we get a perfect round. That is okay, or this flagging system is okay. What is okay for you? Please tell me in the chat. Option 1 or option 2? ठीक है, बताओ. Which one? Option 1 or option 2? I need the thing. Let me just clear the output so that you can see both of them together in the screen. Okay, so right, so option 1, option 2, both of them are in front of you. Option 2 is okay, so we'll delete option 1. Whichever would you like, choose. But you're clear now? You're clear with this entire thing? If you are clear with the logic, what I have done, अगर आप ये logic से clear हो, if you are clear about this entire logic, okay, which is taking how many rounds should we play, if you are clear about it, then please enter emoji, that is heart. Okay, I need heart emoji typed in the comment box, then we will go ahead. Okay, let's finalize option 2, and using option 2 we will understand how many rounds we want to play. Clear? I need heart in the chat. I don't want you to type press heart. I want you to give heart in the chat. Okay, so can you explain why you used while true? I explained while true because this is going to give you an infinite loop. okay, infinite loop. This loop should only stop when we get our perfect odd number. Until unless we don't get our perfect odd number, this loop should not stop. Okay, are we clear? Done. Chalo. Now let's go to the next step. The next step क्या है? Make a function to generate computer input rock paper scissor. Done. ठीक है. So step 2 भी done हो गया. Step 3. ठीक है. First of all, I'll do that is import random. ठीक है. I'm importing a library that is random. I'll create a list, option list. Okay. Instead of creating a list, I'll create a tuple because I don't have to add or edit anything. There is only 3 things: rock, paper, scissor. Done. All small caps. Done. Now random dot choice. Random dot choice is a thing which will give you a random option out of these 3. It is scissors. Next time it is paper. Next time it's rock. Next time it is rock. Next time it's scissors. Next time it is rock. So we have created a function. Let's wrap this entire thing into a function. We will wrap this entire thing into a function. df give me a computer choice. ठीक है. Done. So I'll cut this, I'll paste it here, I'll cut this, I'll paste it here, and I'll just write down return. So it will return the thing. It will return the thing to. ठीक है. इसको भी यहाँ से कट, इसको पूरे को कट कर देते हैं. Okay. Done. Step 3. Generate a random computer selection out of rock, paper, scissor. Done. So whenever I do give me a autocomplete, so see, it is giving me a random thing. I just need to run this. It will give me a random selection out of the 3. Are we clear, guys? Are we clear? Done. Are we clear? Okay. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर वाले को थोड़ा डम्ब कराना है, डम्ब, if you want to win this particular game, you can stuff Caesar lot of times. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, कंप्यूटर बायस हो जाएगा सीजर के लिए. So computer will then see, अच्छा, out of Caesar I need to give, out of Caesar I need to give. So it will only give Caesar most of the time. So it is a easy level. It is not hard level. So you're controlling the computer ka input. So there is 3 levels, right? Whenever you play a game, it is easy, it is medium, it is hard. So it is like, hard is like pure natural thing. Okay, दिमाग लगाओ. Medium is like random. Easy is like, चलो easy कर दो. So okay, so we can make this game easy by biasing it towards one option, which people can, which a player can understand, right? Clear? Okay, so are you clear about step number 3? So if you are clear about step number 3, please write down which emoji in the chat. Fire हो गया, ये हो गया, रुक जाओ 1 minute. Which वाली emoji? Rocket. Send me rocket in the chat. Okay, write down rocket in the chat. ठीक है. Done. So now let's just go ahead to the next step. The next step क्या है भैया? Make a function to take player input out of rock, paper, scissor. ठीक है. Step 4. Take player input out of rock, paper. ठीक है. Rock, paper, scissor. Done. Clear? So now df give me player option. ठीक है. एक छोटा सा फंक्शन बना दे रहे हैं. We are making a function. Done. In this function I'll create input. Okay, before creating input, option is equal to input, r is equal to rock, p is equal to paper, s is equal to SEISS. ठीक है, डन. डन नहीं करना है, एंटर मारना है. Now we will check if option equal to r or option equal to small r. Okay, return rock. Small में होना चाहिए ना. elif, we'll just copy paste this entire thing. Instead of p and small p, return paper. Then वापस से elif. Okay, option. Okay, one more time, right? Copy paste. You know now what I'm doing? You know, right, what I'm doing? Return Caesar. ठीक है, else. Okay, इधर रिटर्न करने की जगह, you know what, it should be, it should update. I'm basically trying to create a switch case, but अगर ये else होगा ना, तो else में ना it should call itself recursive. मैं भूल गया हूँ recursive functions कैसे बनाते हैं. ठीक है, so I'm just trying to, let's see if this is a recursive. Give me I don't know, I'm doing recursive function after a while long. I think I have done it right. समझ गया, ठीक है. So what's happening? ठीक है, what's happening here? See, it's calling itself. अभी क्या हो रहा है? If the user types r or small r, okay, it will say it is rock. If the user types p, okay, if the user types p, okay, then it is paper. Capital letter P or small letter P. S, it is like capital letter S or small letter S, it is Caesar. If there is something else, that user is typing, then it will call itself. वो क्या करेगा? It will call itself, right? It will call the same function again. ये खुद को ही बुलाएगा, ए भाई वापस रन करो. ठीक है, until unless the option is not from these three, R, P, S, it will call itself again and again and again. Okay, and calling itself again and again and again is known as recursive function. What it is known as? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Recursive function. Clear? Calling self is nothing just but calling recursive function. Layer input is equal to this. See what's happening here. If I'm giving anything, let's say if I give R, it will stop. Okay, and inside player input it will store, that is it will store rock. ठीक है, अगर जैसे ही okay, as soon as इसमें छोटा सा एक बग है, ये लगाना भूल गया था मैं, अभी रन करो. See now, rock, R for rock, P for paper, S for Caesar. I say G, okay, it will ask again. I say U, it will ask again. I say E, it will ask again. As soon as I say anything out of these three, okay, I say R, it will stop and it will store rock inside the output. Okay, If you are clear about this thing, so please type fire again in the chat, fire emoji in the chat. If are you guys clear? Fire emoji आने दो अगर clear हो तो. I need fire emoji in the chat if you guys are clear what I'm doing. Okay, this is known as recursive function. If you see, it is returning, मतलब जब सही मिल जाएगा वो रिटर्न करेगा रिटर्न करेगा रिटर्न करेगा रिटर्न करेगा एंड दैट विल ऑटोमेटिकली रिटर्न ऑन द मेन फंक्शन लेवल. सो दिस इज अ फंक्शन which is calling itself is known as recursive function. A function which is calling itself is known as recursive function. Okay, clear? Done? चलो ये भी हो गया. Now let's just go to the next thing. What's the next step? कहाँ गया? इतना प्रोग्राम कर दिया. Somehow record the score. Okay, first इसके पहले पता है क्या है? Fifth step, check who is winning. Okay, then step 6 is that winning in a specific round. Okay, done? Clear? So fifth step is check who is winning. check करो कौन जीत रहा है. ठीक है? So now again I will create a small function df check who is winning. इसमें दो पैरामीटर जाएंगे, कंप्यूटर इनपुट एंड द प्लेयर इनपुट. डन. सो नाउ ये बड़ा खतरनाक चीज़ होने वाला है. ओके, नाउ आई हैव गॉट पीपीटी हियर टू एक्सप्लेन दिस. Caesar kills paper. Paper kills rock. Rock kills Caesar. Right? Simple सा है. Now let's just create Caesar किसको काटता है? Before we go here in this, we need to create a text. Okay? We need to create a checkbox. मैं एक्सेल शीट में बनाता हूँ तो ईजी रहेगा. sheets.new. it will be easy for you all. Okay, so rock paper, ठीक है, rock paper Caesar winning combination. rock paper winning combinations. राइट, क्लियर? अभी व्यू के अंदर जाके ना मैं पूरा क्लीन कर देता हूँ. शो ग्रिड लाइन्स, नो. डन. व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज दिस. ओके, नंबर वन थिंग इफ दिस इज प्लेयर, दिस इज कंप्यूटर. ओके, प्लेयर एंड कंप्यूटर क्लियर है? डन. इफ प्लेयर वन इज डूइंग if player 1 is doing SCI Caesar, player 1 is doing rock, player is doing paper. अगर कंप्यूटर भी सीजर करता है तो if computer does Caesar, who will win? यहाँ पे विनर कौन है? Caesar, it's a draw, draw. Rock. If player is doing rock, computer is doing Caesar, then winner is player, right? Player is doing paper, computer is doing Caesar, then the winner is computer. Agree है ना सब लोग? Are you guys with me? Let me just do a little bit of formatting so that you guys are able to understand this better. ठीक है. Now we will take one more time rock paper Caesar. This time we will have rock. Okay, Caesar plus Caesar, who will win? Caesar plus rock. This time this will be draw. Okay, पेपर अगर है, रॉक अगर है तो प्लेयर जीता, बिकॉज प्लेयर विल किल रॉक. सीजर, नो 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 नो, अरे यार, हाँ यहाँ पे प्लेयर जीतेगा ना, इस वाले कंडीशन में तो प्लेयर जीतेगा. इस वाले कंडीशन में कौन जीतेगा? इन दिस कंडीशन rock will win, that is computer. Okay, now let's take this example for one last time, because 3 into 3 9 combinations are there at most. So paper, paper, paper. Okay, now here Caesar plus paper, Caesar will win, Caesar is player. Rock plus paper, paper will win, that is computer. In this paper it is draw. डन है, ठीक है. तो 3 बार ड्रॉ आ रहा है, 3 बार कंप्यूटर जीत रहा है, 3 times player is winning. Are we clear? Done. Are you clear about this matrix? Please tell me in the chat if you guys are clear about this particular matrix. We need to now convert this matrix into programming thing. Are you guys clear about this matrix? Okay, are you clear about this matrix? Please tell me in the chat if you guys are clear, because we need to convert this into now programming. Okay, so let's just minimize this and एक काम करते हैं, इसको ना एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं इसका. we will take a screenshot of this. We'll take a screenshot and then we will use it for our purpose. Done. So I took a screenshot. Okay, we put this in a screenshot. छोटा करो यार. अच्छा, इससे छोटा नहीं होता क्या? Fine. For a time being I am like reducing the size of this. For a time being थोड़ा सा zoom कर लो, बाद में वापस से देखते हैं, ठीक है. If computer input equal to okay, computer equal to rock, and player input equal to पहले तो सीज़र है ना यार, सीज़र रखते हैं. पहले तो सीज़र का स्पेलिंग चेक करो, SC है, मेरे को उसी का गलती लग रहा है. सीज़र, ओके. Everywhere the Caesar spelling is right. Fine, I'll just copy paste Caesar here. पहले player है, बाद में ये है, तो even let's not confuse us. First it is player and then it is Caesar. Done. So if it is player is Caesar and input is computer is also Caesar, return who is winner, who is the winner. It's a draw, ठीक है. elif condition, if player is rock then computer is Caesar, winner is player. Okay, done. Then elif, one more time, player is paper, computer is Caesar, what should we return? We should return computer. ठीक है, वापस से elif one more time elif. Okay, one more time elif. This time it is Caesar and here it is rock. If it is rock, then what should we return? We should return computer. One more time elif. Okay, if it is rock and here also it is rock, then what should we return? We should return draw. Spelling, check the spelling, check the spelling. If there is any spelling mistake, then our program will be stuck. The third one is paper and here it is rock, and we have to return, that is player. One more elif. This time it is Caesar and here it is paper. Okay, I'll just copy paste it. Return, what should we return? We should return player. Are you guys checking? Is it, are we going clearly right? Please let me know. Are all conditions working fine? Okay, so this time it is rock, paper, return. Okay, return computer. Anywhere any spelling mistake, we will be done. It is paper, 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 draw. Okay, oh, player, it is what? Caesar and paper. Caesar and paper player. Done. ठीक है, clear. I'm just closing this window. I'll zoom it out once again. ये कोड है guys, ठीक है? This is the code. Okay, for checking, let's check who is winning. Okay, I will first computer. पहला क्या है, कौन कौन से पैरामीटर से दो. The first parameter is like computer, so computer is rock. The second is paper. Who will win? Who should win? Player is winning. Okay, first is rock, second is player. Who is winning? Paper. Done hai? Clear? Now let's say Caesar. I am writing Caesar. By the way, let's just put ठीक है. If by any chance in the computer input, player input, there is something else apart from Caesar, rock and paper, it will alert. This else will execute. जब ये else execute होगा, इसका मतलब यही है कि there is some kind of problem with there is a spelling problem. Okay, somewhere. Done. So I hope this draw is also right, player is also right, computer is also right. ठीक है? Okay, done. Okay, sorted. ठीक है? Now who is winning is also done. Now based on the winning, we need to record basically points. Now how to record points? Let's create a list. List is equal to this, and then it will be a global thing. It's not going to be a local. So lst dot append whatever like let's say computer is winning, then computer will be appended. If draw is there, then draw will be appended, and player is there, then player will be appended. ठीक है, something like that. Clear? Sorted. So append से अपन पूरा काम करेंगे. Inside append, let's say draw goes. Now we have to just create one more function. इसको यहीं पे रखो. Let's create one more function to check who is the winner, ultimate winner. Check ultimate winner. In this we need to send a list. Okay, for अभी काउंट करना है. Okay, ये बापन see now what is going to happen. Our list will have something like this. Okay, our list will have player list dot append में it will be again, let's say these are the ways. Player 1 2 times, one time it was a draw. Okay, okay, clear. Now when you will do lst, your rounds will be round ka answers, your round answers will be stored in a list. Okay, each and every time you win it will be stored in a list. Are we clear? Are we clear? यहाँ तक clear है? Everyone is clear till here? Done. If you are clear, so please write it down in the chat, some kind of a emoji. It can be a rocket emoji this time, because one last function, then we have to put everything together. Our rock paper scissors is clear. Done. So we will be recording who is winning in this list. Okay, done, sorted. And now we will round list will come here, and player is equal to round list. 3 rounds are there, or like 5 rounds are there, 7 rounds are there, 9 round are there, whatever it is. Okay, so out of rounds it will just go, and out of this list it will, यहीं पे पहले तो कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, lst dot count draw. So this will give us what it will give. कितनी बार draw है उस list में, how many times in this list there is a draw. So this is the function. Okay, so now this time if I give player, it will count how many times player is there. Player is there 2 times. So it will basically, I'm just copying this and pasting it here, player, then computer is equal to round list dot count computer draw is equal to इसके अंदर draw. Done, clear. I'm just removing this thing so that we are not confused. Delete this line. ठीक, sorted. We have created one more function. Now whenever, okay, now one more function is still pending. If player is greater than computer and player is greater than draw. यार ड्रॉ तो चाहिए ही नहीं. If player is greater than computer, then return player. Okay, elif computer is greater than player, oh count, so thank you, or here also count, thank you. ठीक है, here we have to return. अगर कंप्यूटर ज़्यादा बार जीत रहा है तो we need to return computer. ठीक है, else return draw. Done. So let's check ultimate winner. In this I'll send a all player वाला thing. Player, वापस से player, 3 बार player डाला तो क्या आ रहा है? Player is the winner. Even if I do computer once, who is the winner? Player is the winner. If I do computer twice, computer is the winner. If I do draw and it's a draw. Because see, if it is like computer draw player, then it's a draw. Okay, it's working. Okay, is it working? Clear? Define ultimate winner is working. uh, ओके, आर वी क्लियर? यार ओडीआई में ऐसे थोड़ी होता है। ओडीआई में ये होता है सीधा सिंपल, 3 ही मैच होते हैं। वो 3 मैच में अगर एक ड्रॉ हो गया तो सुपर ओवर वगैरह कुछ होता है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता पूरा मैच वापस कराओ। इन आवर थिंग, ओके, यू प्ले वन मोर टाइम एंटायर राउंड। क्लियर? सॉर्टेड? सो दिस इज द थिंग। नाउ लेट्स असेंबल ऑल दीज पीसेस टुगेदर. We have wrote, we created a huge program ka thing. Let's assemble the entire thing together. Okay, so first and foremost thing, first line kya hai? First line, step number 1. What is step number 1? This is step number 1. I'll just go copy this. Okay, name, we should take name. Then we should we I think we should even convert this thing also into a function. So let's convert this thing also into a function. df take rounds input. Okay, this is also now converted into a function. I'll remove this. कोड क्लीनिंग कर रहा हूँ यार, हाउसकीपिंग, जो जो नहीं चाहिए उसको डिलीट कर दे रहे हैं. सो वी नीड we just need this line also. Line 1, line 2. Now line 3 is going to be take rounds input. Okay, and I'll take a prompt and I'll put a prompt here. ठीक है, ये जो prompt है ये, तो we will take this. We can even hide this line. Okay, if we want, we can hide this line. We can actually hide this line. So ये नेम यहाँ से लेके आया, वहाँ पे नेम पास करना है बस. ठीक है, we just have to pass this name inside this. ठीक है, see, name take rounds input. It will take, hey bro, give me your name. So my name is Anaya, Ananya. How many rounds would you like to play? I would like to play 9 rounds. So it's like, yay, wow, it's an odd number and it's a perfect odd number. Done. Clear? So यहाँ तक तो काम कर रहा है system. ठीक है, till here system is working. Now what we have to do, we have to okay, there is something known as like give me a computer का random. अभी जितना भी rounds आया, okay, it should now take rounds input ना, it should return something. Okay, this should return, where is that? This should return, ये we got a perfect round number. इस सबको print को मैं निकाल दे रहा हूँ, we don't need these all print. We don't need successful prints, we just need return here, return rounds. ठीक है, done. Take rounds input and I'll explain you all these things, don't worry, I'll just explain you. Hey bro, give me your name. Ananya. ठीक है, I want to take 9 things. अभी मैं rounds कर रहा हूँ तो आ रहा है. हाँ, done. It is working till here. Is there anywhere any kind of a problem? List dot append computer. अच्छा ये this is any which is going to change, right? Any which is it's going to change, so just be there. यहाँ तक हो गया. Now we have to run a for loop. Okay, for loop यहाँ पे for I in range till rounds. Okay, in this for loop we will take com choice, ठीक है, player choice. player choice के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will then go and ask player choice. Where is player choice? Give me player option. Okay, this is also done. Then we will send check who is winning. We will send it to check who is winning. Okay, first is computer input. Computer input is equal to com choice. Then is player input, that is player choice. ठीक है, player choice दे दिया, computer choice and player choice. After this we have to sub round winner. यहाँ पे सब राउंड विनर आ गया. इतना बड़ा तुमको कंफ्यूज हो रहा है शायद, तो ये वाला चीज़ मैं हटा देता हूँ. ठीक है, इसको स्टॉप करो. आई वंस इट इज़ डन एंटायरली देन वी विल रन. ओके, डोंट वरी. सब राउंड विनर. Now this sub round winner needs to be entered somewhere. List is equal to empty list, and here lst dot append sub round winner. Whatever output we are getting, we are storing it in our list. Okay, sub round winning list. Okay, sub round winning list लिया, यहाँ पे स्टोर कर दिया. वी हैव स्टोर्ड इट इन दिस. आर यू गाइस विथ मी टिल नाउ? प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट, आर यू गाइस विथ मी? वी हैव स्टोर्ड दिस इन द सब राउंड लिस्ट. एंड वंस who is winning वाला check who is winning. Okay, this is done. Then post this, all we have to do is check ultimate winner. Check out of the for loop, check ultimate winner. Okay, let's say I want to print who is the ultimate winner. Clear? Let's just run this. Hey, give me a name. I want to take Shubham name. Okay, hey Shubham, how many rounds would you like to play? I would like to play 3. Okay, what is your first thing? That is rock. What is your second thing? That is paper. अच्छा, इसमें what is your third thing? That is paper. अच्छा, there is a problem here. I'll tell you what the problem is. The problem is it is not showing what the computer का output is. It is not telling us what the computer output is. Hey, give me Shubham. अभी हो गया, ख़त्म हो गया. Like I mean, how many rounds would you like to play? 3 rounds. Okay, first is R, second is R, third is also R. Now it's a draw. क्यों it's a draw? Because we don't know why it is a draw. So let's just go ahead and print computer choice. Print com choice, player choice, player choice. We are now printing it. Okay, print sub round winning list. ठीक है, खत्म गाइस, डन. मेरे नेम से एरर आ जाएगा सर. So I'll put Nisha name now. Okay, Nisha. How many rounds? I would like to play 3 rounds. Computer choice is paper. Shit man, this should come afterwards ना. ये थोड़ा एक bug है इसमें, वो check करते रुको. Caesar. Okay, then I would like to say again Caesar. Then I would like to say again Caesar. Player computer, the winner is player. Okay, it is working. इसको थोड़ा ना ऊपर नीचे कर देते हैं. Take player input first. Take computer input next. Okay, and check who is the winner. Check who is the winner of the sub round. Store it for later use. Okay, winner of sub rounds. What is your name? Let's say Vishal. कुछ error नहीं आएगा इस, we are there ना. Hey, Vishal is my name. Okay, now how many rounds I want to play? I want to play 5 rounds. First round is like round 1, I want to do rock. Round 2, I want to do paper. Okay, round 3, I want to do Caesar. Round 4, I want to do Caesar. Round 5, I want to do paper. Okay, winner of sub rounds, computer draw player. So who is winning? Computer is winning, so computer the game. अच्छा, इसमें पूरा लिखना है computer wins the game. Done? Clear? Is it working fine for you all? दिख रहा है क्या? What is your name? My name is, hey, give me some name, right? Okay, Alok. Okay, it will say, hey Alok, how many rounds would you like to play? I would like to play 7 rounds. First I want to do rock, second I want to do Caesar, third I want to do is paper, again rock, again paper, again Caesar, again rock. Okay, so it's like winner of sub rounds, draw computer player, draw computer player. So computer wins the game. Done? So Shehbaz, done. So next round we will one more time try is with 9 times. SHA Shehbaz. Okay, so how many rounds would you like to play, Shehbaz? So let's say 3 rounds. Okay, now first round, round 1, I want to do S. Round 2, I want to do again S. Round 3, I want to do again S. So it's like computer draw computer. तो कौन जीता? Computer. Done. Now only thing which is remaining is the, see now our game is live, up and running. Okay, done. So okay, so this is the thing guys, you guys have done it. Amazing, congratulations. So just go ahead, mark your attendance, mark everything, download the certificate. Downloading certificate is very easy. I have not enrolled in this program, that's why I'll not be able to download the certificate, but you guys can just go. आपके पास लिंक है कमेंट के अंदर, कमेंट क्या बोल रहा हूँ, डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर. click on that link, do all the days attendance there. Once you do all days attendance, you will be able to download this particular certificate also. Congratulations, I'm sharing the code of this particular collab in the link in the description. Source code is there in this, so check it out. Okay, I have sent you guys the collab link. This is my entire 5 days of collab. I have shared you this right now in the chat. So that's it. With this all, I just want to say one thing. Thanks a lot for attending the entire cohort 5 6 days, and thank you. We are launching lots of new things. If you guys are interested in becoming our student ambassador, uh, let me give you a link. Fill this form. ये फॉर्म भर दोगे तो you will be able to become our student ambassador. And if you are a student ambassador of Let's Upgrade, you get lots of perks. Okay, so this is the link, guys. I'm sharing this link. Okay, so I'm sharing it in the chat. Just go ahead and register yourself for our student ambassador program if you are interested in trying to become a student ambassador, represent Let's Upgrade community, offer lots of free courses to your fellow colleagues, and at the same time also win. I'll share my screen. Wait. Um, this is what a student ambassador gets: monthly incentive reward up to 10,000, earn gift coupons up to 20,000, access worth of like 57,000, get a chance to meet industry experts. You'll be even talking to me personally in a Zoom call if you become a student ambassador. You will get an SAP ID card, student ambassador ID card. You will also get swag kit. So in our swag kit we have these all things based on your how much that you do. It is totally based on that. Just go ahead. You will see apply now button here. Click apply now. You will go to a Google form. Just go ahead, fill this form. That's it. Thanks a lot everyone for joining in, and love you all. Take care. Have a nice day, and I hope you all guys will be attending our student ambassador program and all, promoting Let's Upgrade. We don't have huge marketing spend. All we have is you guys. If you guys have liked our entire program, I would want you to, first of all, can you actually like this video and take it more? 10 likes are remaining so that it can hit 100, and you all guys can actually do Python. This is what this entire course is all about. अगर आपको पाइथन सीख के अच्छा लगा, सो वी विल मीट फर्दर. देर इज़ अ डेटा साइंस का एसेंशियल्स ऑल्सो कमिंग वेरी सून एंड ऑल. थैंक यू एंड love you all. ठीक है, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. I'm ending this entire live stream. Thank you. We are at 101 likes, and thank you for this. Bye bye, take care. Take care, guys. Take care.